पेडण्याच्या संत सोहिरोबानाथ MBA कॉलेजीक 25 वर्सां पुराय जातात. निकतोच कॉलेजीन रुप्या उत्सव मनयलो. ह्या निमतान अंदूच्यान वाणिज्य शाखेच्या पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन डिपार्टमेंटाच्या शाखेचे उक्तावण मुखेल सोयरे मोहन सांगोडकराच्या हातान केलें.
College and government has provided you with infrastructure, and now it's your responsibility to see that you use this infrastructure to provide the best possible course so that you get best possible students. If you see the SWOT analysis, just general SWOT analysis, you'll find there are certain challenges this institution has, but those challenges could be used as opportunities. They should be used as opportunities, like socio-economic background of the students, this area. There are, affordability level of population may be little lower than what urban people can afford. Similarly, SC, ST population. When that population is higher, again, although it's a challenge, it also becomes an opportunity. Because this particular area helps you in applying for various schemes under UGC and various things. You can take example of Cafe College itself. There is a lot of ST population there. And they have used this for getting different kinds of schemes sanctioned to them through UGC. And that college has become one of the best. They have got awards also, I think. So more or less on similar lines, if we start using our population structure here to get best from UGC, from various agencies, I think that should be very helpful. Also, majority must be government, the girls here, that's now the trend. By and large, majority is girls. So, especially when these girls also are from reserved categories, you have got special benefits from UGC and other agencies. So, all this put together becomes an opportunity for you to come up faster compared to other colleges. Secondly, post-graduation commerce is one area. But whatever development that we do should be, academic development I'm talking about, should be sustainable. When you don't have a college, you always aspire for a college building, you aspire for a better building. Now you have a better building, and such a huge building now becomes, it's your responsibility and more of a stress for you to prove or to justify this provision of this building. You suppose that your huge structure is there, infrastructure is there, and if you are not in a position to prove that, well, you are justifiably using it, then you have to answer the government, because the government has provided this, it's public money. So therefore, your requirement, your demands from your side will be very high. So therefore, in addition to this postgraduate, now we have to search for additional areas where there can be sustainable academic development. Like for instance, Mopa Airport is coming up. It is coming very soon. Now only I think we have to think about what kind of courses we can introduce. Now we need not go for very high-fi courses, big courses, because our population, what is affordable to our population should be initially started. Like small courses, ground staff, or whatever, cargo, whichever. But then we have to search for the areas, for the courses which are provided by other universities in this field. There will be many. You have to search for it. Take the syllabus and try to adjust, discuss it with luminaries in that area, adjust it, and then put it up to the university. If you start, there was a time when we were not getting those affiliations for courses from university. We used to start courses on our own. Sometimes free, somebody has to sponsor them, or sometimes free courses, certificates, simple certificate courses. But those courses, those certificates, sometimes are not easily acceptable by people, by the commercial sector. So therefore, you have to have affiliated courses.
चायना कडल्यान खूबशें शिकपा सारकें आसा. चायना आयज वाणिज्य संशोधन क्षेत्रांत सगळ्यांत फुडें आसा, अशें औद्योगीक नितीन कुंकळकार उलयलो.
Extremely important, and I think when you talk of smart class, you also try to disseminate the information, also work very aggressively on the content, and each professor must be given a task to rewrite the content in the emerging era of commerce education. If that happens, We are willing to support you. You need to understand what is a WTO. WTO is going to expand. Indian government is signing RCEP, the Regional Cooperation for Regional Cooperation Treaty with including China. So government feels today that signing of more treaties means creating more market opportunities even for the Indian manufacturers and likewise for others too. So everyone wants to be part of the global value chain. The protection policies are going away. It's going to be only promotional policies. If that happens, what is the future of commerce education is what we need, and we need to reinvent. Reinvent at institution level. So if your teachers and all take interest and start conducting this, go back to the university. University will have a higher platform. University goes to UGC and tries to disseminate, absorb further information. This correlation of this can create one of the most wonderful things for the India. China has done it. Chinese today are having one of the best research in commerce education. You must learn from them.
शैक्षणिक मळाचेर स्मार्ट क्लासी कशे आसतले हाचेर उच्च शिक्षण खात्याचो संचालक प्रसाद लोलयेकार उलयलो.
When we'll implement this scheme, then all teachers will not be allowed to use conventional methods. It will be completely smart classroom. What we mean by smart classroom, there are many things included in smart classroom, but main achievement will be your lectures will be recorded and it will be put on the cloud, so that if student can also go through your lecture again when he is at his home, and it will be available to the students 24/7. That means, in other words, your lectures of all the teachers will be can be viewed by anyone, including education minister, education secretary, director of higher education. So there will be more responsibility on the teachers that they should come prepared, because it will be viewed by many authorities, not only by the students. That is one. Second, more important thing is that if suppose any student is absent for any reason for this school, college, then he will able to go through the lecture again. Not only that, if suppose now any students want to go through the lecture of any other teacher from any other college, government college, then he will able to do that. If any topic is taught by your teacher, then again if you want to know that how other teacher had taught it, then you will be allowed and you will able to know that with this smart classroom concept.